How to see archive stories on Facebook. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see archive stories on Facebook. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your Facebook app and log in with your existing Facebook account. And after signing in, this is what your newsfeed look like. And to see the archive stories, kindly click the three lines above, in which by doing so, it will lead you in this menu, in which you can see a variety of options, all shortcuts, and other features of Facebook. So the next thing that you need to do is to click Settings and Privacy. And under the Settings and Privacy, kindly click Settings. And afterwards, it will lead you in the Settings and Privacy, in which under the Preferences, kindly choose and click your time on Facebook. And by doing so, it will link you in here. After that, just click the first option, which is See Time. And by doing so, you will see the time on how long you've been spending on using Facebook, in which you can see how many hours, minutes, or even seconds you've been spending on this app. And to proceed, kindly click See Activity Log, in which by doing so, it will lead you in this. And there are many options that you can choose. So just scroll down a little bit and find and click the interactions. And after clicking interactions, you can see a variety of options that you can choose, such as comments, likes, and reactions, or every activity you've done in this app. And so to see your archive stories, kindly click and find Archive Stories, in which by clicking Archive Stories, it will lead you in this, in which it will show you all of your interactions that you post on your stories. And in order to see your archive stories, kindly click the three dots on the corner of every archive stories, and just proceed by clicking View. So that is how to see your archive stories on Facebook. Thank you.